Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I have new videos you gotta be updated. Working on a 2003 Nissan Maxima 3.5. Right now the car is having good issue with the starter. Sometime you start it, it starts. Sometime you start it again, it wouldn't start. Let me show you. Sometime it starts, sometime it doesn't. So right now it starts, right? So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna try turn it back on again. I'm gonna try a couple times, and sometime it doesn't start. Now it doesn't start. You see? So let me try to see. Now it doesn't want to start. There you go. For me to start the car, I have to hit the starter right here. You can see where I have my pry bar. Just I tap a couple times and then have somebody crank the car and then it'll start. So now to get to the starter, you're gonna take this whole side of the airbox out, take all the hoses out, whatever connected to the airbox, take them out so that way you have room to get access to the starter. Before you remove the starter, you gotta take out the negative terminal on the battery, and then here's the whole airbox unit that I took out, all one piece like that. And once you take out the airbox, you're gonna get to the harness right here. You're gonna put a flathead in here to pry out the tab, and that way you can pull it straight up. Once you get the harness out of the way, you're gonna get to the starter. You're gonna take out this positive cable right here, and then the two 17mm bolt, one right here and one right here. For the starter connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here. Press on this tab, pull back, and here's the other end of the starter connector. And once you get that out, you should be able to get the starter out. There you go. This is aftermarket one. It's not original. It's a reman. I believe this is a part number or something, whatever. This is the new one I got, and this is the part number for it. So the old one, I tested it. It has a very grindy noise when I put power into it. The new one, I tested the new one. It sounds very smooth. So I'm gonna show you how to test a starter. So when I jump power into it, you're gonna hear there's a grinding noise in the starter. So I got my positive hooked onto the positive, negative to the body and the connector. I'm gonna jump it to power. So you see 13 volt. Now when I touch it, you're gonna hear a little bit of grinding noise. You hear that? Very grindy on the inside of the body. The new one, I hook it up the same way, so when I touch it to the positive, you're gonna hear the gear jumps out and spins it. It sounds very smooth. You hear that? So this one is very smooth, push out and spin. The other one is push out and very grindy when it turns. My new starter back in. Connect the positive on the battery and the connector down here. Already reconnected it. For the bad starter, if you have to hit the starter to wake it up to start, then it's a bad starter. I got the airbox back to the original position, back to normal. Plug my negative battery on the terminal back. Car should be starting up fine now. And strong too. Sounds pretty strong. Try it again. Oh, pretty good guys. So that's it for this video guys. Just a starter replacement. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.